Hey, Stuart here, and I've been at the Apple special event in New York where the company has just announced two Face ID enabled iPad Pros. The new iPads come in a 12.9 and 11-inch sizes and now just 5.9 millimeters thick, yeah, that thin, and deliver considerably more screen for the form factor. New this time round, a Face ID that works in both portrait and landscape modes, and the move away from Lightning to USB-C for charging. The change means you'll be able to connect a range of different devices to the iPad, like a digital camera, external monitor, or if your phone is running low, even be able to charge it. The internal specs and processor have been beefed up too. The iPad Pro models are now powered by the A12X Bionic processor, an even faster, more version of the same processor that debuted in the XS, XS Max, and XR earlier this year. Storage is now available in sizes up to 1 TB. Yep, this really is a laptop replacement. The iPad Pro isn't the only thing to get an upgrade though. Apple has improved the Apple Pencil as well. It's now wirelessly charged by sticking it to the side of the new iPad Pro models and sports a new double tap feature to allow you to quickly change between tools. Likewise, the keyboard has been changed to offer better all-round protection and accommodate the smart connectors moving from side to the back. Apple has produced an iPad here that we expect many Pro users will want, not just because of the increase in size or the thinner dimensions. We love the design, we love that Apple has moved to a USB-C connector, and the move to Face ID is not only welcomed, it's a no-brainer. Apple might have just relaunched the Apple MacBook Air, but from what we've seen, the iPad Pros could just very well be your next laptop replacement.